In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ClickUp account. If you're signed in to ClickUp on your desktop browser and want to end your session safely, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, with a few helpful tips along the way. Start inside your workspace on the overview page of your team space. That's the main hub where most people land when they open ClickUp. You don't need to be on a specific task or view for this to work, but being on overview makes it easy to see the main sidebar and navigation. From here, look toward the sidebar for the settings option. In many layouts, settings appears as a small gear icon near the lower left corner. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it or click the expand toggle so the labels become visible. Some interfaces show settings under your profile photo or initials. If that's the case, click your avatar to open the menu and then choose settings. The key is to get into the settings area for your current workspace session. Once you're in settings, locate the logout control. It's typically found on the general or account section of the settings panel. Click logout, and if you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. That immediately ends your ClickUp session in this browser. Any other ClickUp tabs you have open will also sign out once you refresh them. A couple of quick notes for a smooth sign-off. If you don't see settings right away, make sure you're looking at the main workspace sidebar rather than a task drawer or a full-screen dock. Closing those panels will reveal the standard navigation again. If your team uses a custom theme, icons might be styled differently, but the gear symbol or your profile avatar will still take you to the right place. Also, if your organization uses single sign-on, the next time you sign in, you may be routed through your identity provider automatically. That's normal. For shared or public computers, it's a good practice to close your browser windows after logging out to prevent your session from being restored. If you're working across multiple workspaces, logging out here signs you out of your ClickUp account in that browser session, so you'll be prompted to sign in again the next time you open any of them. On mobile, the process is similar. Open your profile, go into settings, and tap logout. That's all it takes. You navigated to your workspace overview, opened settings, and selected logout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you sign off from ClickUp quickly and securely whenever you need.